Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nebeska Creative Studio. I'm so happy you are here to spend some time with me, and I'm so excited today to show you the tutorial for this amazing shoulder cozy. I made mine in a beautiful bright colors, and I'm in totally love with this yarn. It's so lovely. So you can use it as a shoulder shrug, or you can put it on the top and have your head warm, or it could be a small poncho or Mobius wrap, or it can keep your neck warm. I love the colors. They are a kind of romantic for the autumn, and the color and the kind of yarn make it super fashionable, modern and trendy. And I also have a tutorial here how to make this lovely flower, and you can put it on the shrug as well. Very easy pattern, absolutely perfect for beginners. And the stitch I use today is only double stitch. I will show you everything step by step. If you are interested in knowing how to crochet this Mobius wrap, then keep on watching. I put all necessary information about the yarn and hook in the info box below the video, and free pattern is available at my website as well. You will need this yarn, red heart unforgettable, 5mm hook, some scissors, tapestry needle and a button. Let's get started with a slip knot and then chain 2, and we will make a double crochet chainless foundation. Chain 2, insert your hook into the V of the first chain stitch, then yarn over and pull up through the first loop and first chain is made. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops and make it 2 times. So the first foundation double crochet with chain is made, and continue working. Start each repeating by inserting your hook into the foundation chain you made previously. Before you start, take a measurement. For my size, which is M size, I started with 120 stitches. So just measure your starting chain around your shoulders. If it fits snugly, then you can use this chain amount for your size. This wrap is crocheted as a circle. If you are ready with your foundation, don't slip stitch, and I will show you how to make a Mobius twist. So take both ends of your foundation. The blue one is the beginning of your foundation chain, and the purple one is the end. And we have to turn the beginning down towards you. So rotating the foundation chain from the bottom to the up. So now you will have the bottom loops of your foundation chain equal to the top of your working loops. Connect both ends with slip stitch, and we can start row number 2. Chain 3 and then skip 1 stitch. Skip 1 and into next one place 1 double crochet. This is our pattern. Chain 1, skip 1 and 1 double crochet into next. So this is how your work will look like. Chain 1, skip 1 and place 1 double crochet into next. Chain 1, skip 1 and 1 double crochet, and repeat it all around. It's really easy, isn't it? And when you finish the first round, actually it will be the first half of your second round, because we are working in a circle, and it's a twist twisted circle. So we have to continue with the second round around our the first foundation row. So chain 3, skip 1 and 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 and 1 double crochet all around. So we are working on our second half of the second round. I absolutely fall in love in those colors. They are so beautiful and bright, and the yarn is absolutely perfect to work with, and the wrap is so soft and stretchy. I really love it. Wow, and look at the colors, and what's great, this yarn has many more options for colors. Once you are done with your second round, we will finish this round with slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning. Okay, perfect. So our second round is ready, and we will start the next one. The next one is the same as our first round. So we will place double crochet into each stitch around. In total, in this third round, we will have 240 double crochets because we are working in a twisted circle. So keep going and pick each and every chain and make a double crochet in it. So you will have double crochet around all around this round, and again your work will look like it has 2 new rows completed around, but really it's just one continuous round. Finish with a slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning, and we will start our fourth round. So 3 chains as a first double crochet, and then continue our pattern. Chain 1, skip 1 and 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 and 1 double crochet all around. Although it looks kind of complicated, this is one of the easiest shawl you will ever crochet. I made 11 rounds in total, but you can make less or more rounds until you reach your desired length of your wrap. So look at our work. So the blue round in the middle is where we started, and the pattern is repeating all around, and it's twisted circle. Okay, let me just finish the last 11 round. It's a round of double crochet stitches all around, and I finish my work with slip stitch, and it will be ready to wear. Let's look at the finish wrap and look at these colors. They are so bright, so vibrant, so intensive and beautiful. They are absolutely perfect for the romantic autumn, and I'm totally in love with this yarn. It's perfect to work with it, and as I have a bit yarn left, I'll show you how to make a wonderful flower. Let's start with a magic circle and then put one single crochet into it, and then chain 20, approximately 20. You can chain more or less because we are working on flower and they are about 40 or 45 leaves, and they could be a different length long. So 20 chains, and then once you have them ready, make one single crochet into the magic ring. So we will join our chain with a magic ring, and we will repeat that process about 40 or 45 times all around into the magic circle. For that pattern, I would recommend you to use a smaller hook. I used 3mm hook, and for the wrap I use 5mm hook. So you can make more or less chains, depends how rich your flower want to have. Finally, my flower will have two colors, the silver one, and I finish with blue one because the yarn colors are changing. So this is absolutely perfect, and the flower colors will correspond with your wrap. So look at my work. The flower is almost done. There are about 40 chains around the magic circle, and as I already recommend, you can make 20 or 25, or you can change the number of chains in each row. The flower will be a bit shaggy. Once you are ready, don't fasten off and leave a long tail because we will need it to join the button. So now tighten a magic ring, do it quite strongly and tightly. Now prepare a button and yarn needle, and we will finish the flower. Put the button on the bottom of the flower and join it quite tightly. So several times pull the yarn through the button and the flower. The wonderful thing is that you can decide how and where to place your flower on your wrap. So we are done with our wrap, and we finished the flower as well. I hope you enjoy video tutorial. I'm really enjoying my crochet, and I'm enjoying sharing my passion with you, and I'm also trying to improve, so I really appreciate your feedback. I also have to thank you very much for your lovely comments and supporting messages I already received. They give me a lot of energy and new motivation to create more patterns and video tutorials for you. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, I would love for you to join. You will be notified every time when I post something new. I'm trying my best to come with new interesting content, and I would like to keep posting 3 new tutorials per month for you. Thank you very much for watching. Stay in touch, take care, and see you soon.